think that it could be overwhelming for someone that carries out this technical enablement function that, perhaps they're really good at explaining things, making it simple. They're good at scheduling things out and, and really working internally with the different, colleagues to make things happen. But one thing that could be overwhelming is like also creating training materials. So, how as a leader can I make sure that first off, is it a requirement for a technical enablement person to be able to be really good at creating instructional material, or is that something that I as a leader could help ensure that they get that help and support from perhaps an instructional designer or something like that?
Yeah. That's a great question. So independently, again, like if you might be wearing multiple hats, sure, you can put some slides together, you can get some demos together, whatever. But as your enablement motion matures, having a good instructional designer can really help. And what I mean is somebody that comes in, they're sort of those folks that like work on the curriculum, that figure out how do adults really learn, and they build that out in a way that's just going to continue to like play on the psychological ways that the adult learner works. It's really good to have that resource. Another thing is, it's just true that folks will tend to listen more if they're engaged by their speaker. So like giving that technical enablement person, like pushing them into Toastmasters, saying, hey, we'll pay for your membership so you can go and practice your public speaking, or doing some adult learning certifications. Like ATD is sort of famous out there for certifications that help sort of the layman learn how to do some of this work. So providing that professional development for that technical enablement person.
Enablement really for the enablement?
Exactly, right? Like we all need it.
Yeah.
And so, and one of the last things that I think this role sometimes can get a little bit beat on because, well, is it adopted? Did this happen? And was it aligned? Were the timelines there? I also think including this person in some spiffs, like how your sales team, if you do this many dials, we'll give you, an Amazon gift card, or we'll send you here if you hit President's Club. Building some of those spiffs, like enablement folks can be a little competitive too. So it's not a bad idea to build in incentive that if they hit certain metrics or the team does a certain well, like they get to win as well.
That's good. That's good. Well, listen, we've got more videos about the different functions of sales engagement. Make sure you check those out and learn more, and feel free to reach out with any feedback or questions that you have.